As part of my practice, I have a fairly healthy real estate practice, and I had seen probably an email about a seminar that was being given in Edison, and it was on predatory lending practices. I realized that I had no idea what a predatory lending practice was. It was a 3-hour seminar, and my only disappointment was that it was not longer. It was a fascinating seminar put on by both Peggy Giroux and Rebecca Shore. It was informative, compelling, and actually probably one of the best seminars that I've ever been to in terms of understanding the scope of the problems that have resulted from the predatory lending practices, understanding the dire circumstances that people have gotten themselves into. After I took the seminar at Legal Services, I was highly motivated to become involved in some way in assisting people that have been the victims of predatory lending. I had no idea what to expect, but I was caught up in Peggy and Rebecca's enthusiasm and knowledge and depth of involvement in this area of law. And they had assured me that they would be there for me, and they definitely lived up to that expectation. The experience of representing a legal services client has brought home to me the real tragedy on a face-to-face basis, a person-to-person basis of what it meant that nobody at the closing table cared whether my client could make those payments or not. Out of all the work that I do, this has been at the top of my most satisfying experiences. And part of it, a large part of it, was feeling that I was giving something back, and that I was also a part of this legal services endeavor